SC Verma solution, chapter 2, question number 17. A particle moves on a given straight line with a constant speed v. At a certain time it is at a point P on its straight line path. O is a fixed point so that OP vector cross B vector is independent of the position P. Here let us suppose the particle moves with a constant velocity v in the straight line, this straight line. Let us suppose the particle is moving in this straight line P dash, and let there be a point O which is fixed. Now let's see here, let the particle moves in the straight line P dash. This is the straight line on which the particle moves with a constant velocity v. Let the body is at the point P on the straight line. Let for a while the body is at this point P, and the position of the particle, when the particle is at point P, then the position vector with respect to this point O can be given by this OP vector, and this OP vector makes angle theta with this velocity vector. Speed is in this direction. Suppose the body, as the body is moving in this direction, then the velocity as the direction, this will be the direction of the velocity. Let the position vector at P makes angle theta with the V vector. Let us see here, let a perpendicular ON is dropped on the straight path, P dash, that is ON is perpendicular to PP dash. That means let's see here, from this O to this straight path, let the perpendicular be dropped. That means ON is perpendicular to this straight path, that is PP dash. ON is perpendicular to PP dash. Now the cross product of this position vector and this velocity vector can be given as the cross product OP vector cross B vector is equals to OP vector magnitude times V vector magnitude sin theta. Here from this triangle we can find out sin theta is equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular is ON and hypotenuse is this OP vector magnitude, or we can write ON is equals to sin theta OP vector magnitude. Therefore this sin theta and OP vector is replaced with ON. Therefore we will get OP vector cross B vector is equals to V vector magnitude ON. Also let the body is at P dash point, then let in this straight line, let us suppose at any instant the body is at P dash point. Then we can see here the position vector from the position vector of the particle with respect to this point O. When the particle is at point P dash, then the position vector is OP dash vector, and this position vector for a while makes angle alpha with this velocity vector. Then the cross product of position vector and the velocity vector can be given as magnitude, can be given as OP dash vector magnitude V vector magnitude sin alpha. Again here this OP in the triangle, in this triangle P dash ON, we can simply write O dash, we can simply write OP dash sin alpha is equals to ON. Therefore replacing that, we'll get, replacing this OP vector magnitude, OP dash vector magnitude sin alpha with the ON, then we'll get OP dash vector cross B vector is equals to magnitude of B vector dot ON. Here observing equation 1 and equation 2, we get the same answer for the cross product of position vector and velocity vector. Therefore from 1 and 2 we can see the magnitude of the cross product is independent to the position of the position in the straight line. Also direction of the cross product is inward to the plane of the paper where B vector and position vector is situated. So OP vector cross B vector is independent of the position P. The direction of the cross product of position vector cross product of the position vector and velocity vector is same by using right hand thumb rule.